Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by laying out your notebook and a faux fur scrap slightly larger than the book. This prevents short edges. Once arranged, mark the spine and cut allowance so the fur wraps fully. Make sure to trim backing only, not pile. Scissors should slide under fur to avoid chopping hairs. Glue a thin strip along the spine first so the book stays aligned, then fold one cover edge over and press firmly. This sets the foundation for a neat, secure cover. Once the spine is secure, apply adhesive to one cover at a time. Thin, even lines win over blobs because excess glue seeps into fur. Smooth the fur in the same direction for a consistent look. Use a flat tool or ruler to press edges gently. At corners, make small diagonal relief cuts to allow neat folding without lumps, then fold and glue each flap in sequence. Make sure seams meet cleanly at the spine. Small overlaps prevent gaps and keep the diary durable. To finish, check every edge for loose hairs and press them into the backing with a drop of glue or a few discrete stitches where stress occurs. Once done, add a closure like elastic or ribbon, tuck ends under the inner cover and glue or stitch so it won't pull out. Trim stray fibers and brush the pile in one direction for a polished look. If seams lift, press with weighted books for several hours and let the glue cure fully before use. That usually solves lifting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.